I just gotta see something. Let me see. The flavor is on the bone. So my grandfather told me the flavor is in the bone there. Oh yeah, they know what they doing. Which one I like the best? Ooh. What's going on today, everybody? Check this out. Live here at Golden Gloves Cuisine. And I got something special coming to you from the plate of Golden Gloves Cuisine. You want to know what it is? I got some stuffed turkey legs, but let me show you what's behind the plate. Do you see this? I'm going to throw another video up in there so y'all can see. But check this out. I had to write it down because I didn't want to forget y'all. Hold on now. I can't drop a turkey leg. This a Creole stuffed turkey leg with dirty rice and Cajun cream sauce. Woo! Then you got a collard green Alfredo pasta turkey leg. And the dirty rice, it got some chicken on it too. Y'all, oh Jesus, man, you know what? I'm gonna do the collard green Alfredo one first. Look at the meat, like, look at this, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Let's check it out. This is the collard green Alfredo. Let's see.
All month long, we're gonna have it. On Fridays and Saturdays. So yeah, you ain't missing nothing, Buck. Thank you.
If you can imagine, There's so much happening right now with this. Oh Jesus. Oh shoot, I don't even know if I can eat the other one. Now, okay, so this is the dirty rice with the Cajun cream sauce. They got some chicken on it. Let me just dig deep. Let me pull the turkey. Like, look at this, y'all. Hold on. Oh, did you see it? Did you see how it just came off the bone? Woo!
Crazy.
Look at that, y'all. Like, it's like, look at this bone, y'all. We're gonna just put that over there so y'all can see the little meatless action that's happening over here with the dirt. Oh,
Look up.
Oh. So look at this, y'all. Look at this, y'all. We're gonna dip it in the meat and see. Let's see here.
Well.
The rice, the turkey, the chicken. Yo. I just gotta see something. Let me see. The flavor is on the bone. So my grandfather told me the flavor is in the bone there. Oh yeah, they know what they doing. Which one I like the best? Ooh. I don't know, yo. What's your favorite? It's hard.
It's hard. I like both.
You know
They're not
what?
the same.
Right.
They just so many unique.
I want to be over to the left, but then I want to be over to the right. I just don't know.
I can't pick. You gotta come to Golden Gloves yourself and let me know what you think. Look at this, y'all. Look, y'all see it. Y'all see the turkey legs. Specials only. Come check them out. But I love y'all. Y'all have a blessed day.